Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Booking.com application on your iOS device. If you are using your iPhone or your iPad, you can easily download and install the Booking.com application. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your App Store. In the search bar, type in Booking.com and search. From the search results, look for the Booking.com travel deals application and tap on the Get or the cloud icon. If you are downloading the application for the first time on your iOS device, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait for the application to install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is installed, click on the Open button. And there you have successfully downloaded the Booking.com application on your iOS device. Follow through the on-screen instructions and allow necessary permissions, and then you'll be able to see the sign-in interface from where you can sign into your account by entering your credentials. So that's how you install the Booking.com app on your iOS device step by step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and keep watching.